Lot number 218 is a used Rockwell drill press. This one has been sitting outside in outdoor storage for just about a year now. It shows surface rust all around. It appears to be complete. It's got the power cord in place. It looks rusty. A lot of surface rust everywhere. I mean, this is one big ball of metal that can be sanded and painted. There's people that like to restore these things. It appears to be complete, as far as I can tell. It's lot number 218. Make sure you look at all the pictures for model numbers. Good luck.